Let's do some squishy dares. So I'm just going to be doing a bunch of random dares, and I have a lot of squishies. First dare, which is probably the most obvious, let's cut a few squishies. Let's start with the shell squishy. So sticky. And let's also cut this hamster. Next dare, let's step on a squishy. And I think I'm just going to pick this bear on a cloud. So I'm outside, now I'm just going to step on the squishy. It's so dirty. Well, since it's already dirty, I'm just gonna throw it on the road. Oh my gosh. Anyways, for this last dare, I'm going to leave the squishy in a random place. I think right here is good. Hopefully no one takes it.